Hey guys, welcome back. So let's solve some more leetcode today. Today we'll solve partitioning into minimum number of deci-binary numbers. So firstly, what are deci-binary numbers? So as they define it, a deci-binary number is a number which is made up of zeros and ones and which has no trailing zeros in the beginning. So for example, 101 will be a deci-binary number, and also 110 will be 1100 will be a deci-binary number, whereas 112 and 3011 will not be a deci-binary number. Now, what we have to do is we have been given a number n as a string. So in this case, it's been given 32. We have to tell how many decimal numbers added can give me 32. For example, here it's 3 because 10 plus 11 can give me 32. And we have to tell the minimum number, not the maximum. Because maximum can be, I can add 1, 1, 1, 1 and go on and make 32 numbers, and or maybe more than that because I have zeros as well, and then tell that okay, I'll have maybe 400 numbers adding up to 32, but that's not the case. I have to tell the minimum number. So in this case 10 plus 11 would be 32. So again, let's take this example here. 82734 is the number that is given to us, and if we take maybe 1 1, so we'll take 5 ones, and then we can take maybe 1 1, again 1 1 1, right? Also, yeah, these may not be unique, so they can be repeating, so we can take that, and like this we can make like 8 numbers out of this. Now how do we know we can make 8 numbers? So if you notice carefully, so you'll see. So let's consider this example. Let's say we have 302, right? So in this case I can have 101, I can have 100, and I can have 1, right? Or I can have these three. Like there are many possible combinations out of this. Maybe I can also have okay, no, I can have these three. So these will give me 302, and these are the decimal numbers, so my answer is 3. So if you notice carefully, so and if you you'll notice that if you go through the string once, and if you find the maximum digit that is occurring, that is my answer actually, right? So again, this is pretty simple, and this is pretty intuitive, because if you just see the number once, and of course according to the constraints it's possible to go for O of n, so we can just go through the number once, scan through the number once, and we can find out the maximum number, maximum digit, and that would give me my answer, which is my like maximum numbers needed to make it deci-binary. So let's talk about time complexity and space complexity as well. So firstly, for time complexity, I'm going to the string once, so this is O of n, right? Also, my space complexity would be O of 1 because I'm not using any extra space, I'm just going to the string only once. So with that, let's now jump onto the code. So firstly, we have been given this number n as a string, as I mentioned. So firstly, we have to go to the string once. So what I can do is I can just run a loop, and note that we don't need the number itself, like the index itself. So what I can do is I can just take out the character from the string, like each character I can take out, and here I'll maintain a maximum variable. Let's name it mx, and we'll be keeping it 0 initially, and for each time what we'll do is we'll set this mx to max of this mx and the character minus of 0, which will give me the number that is there, not as a string but as an integer, and at the end I can return this mx, right? So let's just try it once. So my n is 32. So firstly my mx will be 0, then the first number will come up, which is 3, and my mx will become 3, and then my n will again become 2, and in this case my mx will remain 3 because 3 is more than 2, right? So this is working correctly. Even in this case, if you just go through this example, you'll notice that for each element the maximum will be noted. At the end the maximum will be 9, right? So let's just run it as let's submit the code and check if it's correct. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty efficient. And yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and if it's helpful, please like and subscribe. It's really helpful to the channel. Thanks a lot.